Does he touch your finger? He's so tiny. Oh gosh, he's smaller than either one.
Daddy, you gonna do a little cord cutting ceremony?
Sure.
I'm videotaping this.
Hi, buddy.
Look at you.
Now it's very chewy.
Very chewy.
Right between the two.
Coming right between those two. It's very chewy.
Let's flip the other thing off.
No, we got that covered. A little more.
There you
There we go. Brody. Hi there, buddy boy. What do you think? Hi. Hi, you. You got daddy's round cheeks, that's for sure. All right, we're going to bring this up.